Hey guys, I'm Henry.
I'm Ian.
And we are
Bosh.
And this is another episode of the Bish Bash Bosh Book Club.
In this episode, we are going to be talking about collaborations.
And we wanted to really just big up some of the people that we've worked with on this cookbook. There's not many. It's mostly been our hard graft, but there have been a few really key people that we work with on the food.
Now, last year we made a video with a man called Alexis Gauthier, and the recipe that was featured in the video made it into the book. That recipe is Faux Gras, and it is wonderful.
Look at that. That is absolutely incredible. It was such a good recipe that we had to feature it in the Bosh Cookbook.
Now, Alexis Gaultier is a Michelin star chef. His restaurant is unbelievable. If you're ever in Soho and fancy treating yourself, go see him.
We also worked with Peter on this as well. They set the whole collaboration up, and you can actually find this video online. But the recipe is essentially making something that tastes like a foie gras pate. Obviously, we don't want to be eating foie gras. It's incredibly cruel, but this tastes wonderful.
Mushrooms, check. Lentils, check. Walnuts, check. Earthy flavours, loads of herbs in there. Brilliant, brilliant tastes.
You won't believe how good this tastes. And we cover it all up with a kind of melted dairy-free butter, so it really looks like a pate.
I mean, that's legit.
That is the real deal. Perfect snack, perfect party fodder, faux gras.
Brilliant stuff. Again, we've worked with a friend of ours in this, which is good. It's nice to work with friends. Our friend is Ellie from Kind&Co, and the recipe is CamemBOSH.
We've bigged her up in the top. This is only the second recipe that made it into the Bosh Cookbook that was from a collaboration, and it was Ellie. She makes wonderful cheese, and this recipe is incredible.
A vegan cheese queen has created something that is remarkably good.
This is a gooey, decadent, gorgeous camembert without any dairy in it whatsoever. You make it all from cashews.
Now, it's really stringy, really gooey. Tapioca flour is the thing that gives it that quality.
You're gonna love it. You pop it in the oven, it bakes, it's warm, it's melty. It's a real showstopper. And it's maybe one of our most popular Bosh videos ever. Ellie, well done, we salute you. Next up are Wild West wings.
Now, we've eaten a lot of vegan fried chicken. We've eaten it in America, we've eaten it in London, we've eaten it all over the place. And we really wanted to create our own. So we thought about it, seitan. But then our friend and collaborator, Claire, came up with the idea of using mushrooms.
So that's Clare Gray. She is a really talented food stylist and development chef, and we'll work together testing the recipes and making sure they're as good as they can be. She suggested mushrooms instead of seitan. We were like, hell yes, we love mushrooms, and this dish was born. So these Wild West wings are served with De La Soul chili sauce, and also Wild West chili sauce. Incredible.
Remarkably crunchy. It's honestly, like the crunchiest crust you've ever consumed.
And when you dip it into those barbecue sauces, they are spicy, they are sweet. You get the perfect contrast of flavors and textures. Next up is another collaboration with Claire. This is the Bakewell tart.
Now, Henry and I are from Sheffield, and round the corner from Sheffield is a town called Bakewell, where this was dreamt up.
Also, can we just appreciate this photograph for a moment? Look at that. That is absolutely stunning. This recipe, you get a taste of almond and cherry, and we've coupled it with poached rhubarb, which is acidic, sweet, and melt in the mouth.
The frangipane, you just wouldn't believe it's vegan. And that bottom, that crust, is like, it's got such a wonderful crumb. It's just like,
So good. It's also really easy to make gluten-free if you want to use gluten-free flour. It's an unbelievable dessert. We promise you won't be disappointed by this Bakewell tart. Claire, you're a legend.
So to all of our collaborators, thank you.
That's it. They were the people we collaborated with. We are hyped about this book. We think you're going to love it.
Bish Bash Bosh is available to pre-order right now. Click on the link below and join the club.
Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Bish
Bash
Bosh!